pinasok daw ni
Doon sa
Zaldico.
inilabas na mga
Oo.
dokumento ni, may yung pinost na mga
Yes.
documents ni Zaldico
Mm-mm.
sa kanyang
Saka
FB
ito lang,
page.
kung totoo na may inutos sa kanya, bakit the following year, wala na siya as chair ng appropriation committee? O di ba dapat kung magkausap sila at nagkakasundo sila, dapat nandiyan pa rin siya. Yun lang yun eh.
Well, I hesitate to call a list a document already. I mean, I'd like to be a bit more prudent about yung ano yung kasi mga nilalabas, these are usually just Excel lists. If we want to call it a document, it has to be a document talaga, an official document. But anyway, what your thoughts on that?
Yung listahan na linabas niya may pahina eh. Galing yun sa House Gov, yung bill. So again, whether that was vetoed or what, the fact remains there was an insertion.